Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to create a clean and fully responsive navbar using Tailwind CSS. This is work perfectly on both desktop and mobile devices without delay. So let's start this video. First create index.html file. Let's create an index.html. Now write a basic boilerplate here and give title like navbar. Now let's write basic HTML for nav. So write nav head. Here we need icon, this icon. So write image tailwind, and here write UL. Inside UL we need for li tag. For let's write pricing demo support, and here we need button like login. Let's connect it live server. This is our HTML. To style this with Tailwind CSS, first we need Tailwind CDN. So search Tailwind, open this first link, click in get start. Here you get play CDN. Go to this script and copy this script. Now copy and again come here in the document and paste it here. Now we are eligible to use Tailwind in the HTML. Now let's style. In the Tailwind we write property in the form of class. So write class width full. This means width 100%. If you don't know the Tailwind properties, you can just come to the browser and in Tailwind documentation you can search here like color. You can find property like this type of color, like border, this type of. If you have any confusion, you can come here and read this documentation. Now let's continue our video. With full flex, FLX flex, this means display flex. Now justify JST, IF justify TW between. Let's see this between the element. Now let's style this image class width 40. Here you can see the width is decreased. Now write for UL class flex items center. Here you can see. Now give gap of 5. Here you can see. Now style this login button class border 2. Here you can see this, and px 5. This means padding in left and right. Now give border radius, this means round rounded. Here you can see the border is round here. Now give padding to the parent. Padding x means padding left and right. This 15. You can see. Now py 10. You can see clearly. Now let's check its responsiveness. Here you can see. Now we need icons like menu and close button. Let's search for remixicon.com. Click in this GitHub icon. Now copy this CDN, come back to the HTML document and paste it here. Now again come to the browser and search for menu. Click here and copy this menu and go to the HTML document. Come here inside here and paste it. Again search for clothes. Come scroll down and copy this icon. Copy, or you can copy this also. Just copy this icon, go to the document and paste it here. Let's see what is the result. Here you can see this type of icons. Let's install this icon. Text, Excel. Here you can see the size is increased. Now let's disable these two. Hidden. Here you can see this is hidden. You can see in the first give ID like menu, and for close icon give ID as close. In the first write MD in hidden. Now you can see this. If screen is small, menu icon is visible. You can see. And write sim for disable tag in AMD hidden. Sorry, max MD hidden. You can see. Now align this menu icon in top. Let's align this. To align, write CSS in this, in max MD, which will be full. In flex, in max MD flex, in max MD justify between. Here you can see this. Now let's make it functional. When we click in here, it should be visible. Now let's write JavaScript. Write script. Let's target this to a menu and this close button. Let menu is called the document dot query selector abstract menu. Abstract close. Let's write menu dot head event listener click click function. Now menu dot class list dot remove sorry, class list dot add hidden and close cls close dot class dot remove hidden and copy and paste it here and right here close menu dot class list dot remove remove and here head just check as it's working. Now again come here, let's select this UL, let's give ID here, ID side nav, come here, copy paste this, change name, ID side nav, now write here side nav dot class list dot add dot remove hidden and again copy this and paste it here and edit here, add, let's check, sorry it's not visible, check, class dot remove and here dot add. I think it's working now. Yes, it's working. Now let's install again this Navbar UL. Max MD flex call, let's check, yes it's working. Now enable max MD flex call max MD items start, let's check, yes it's working fine. Let's decrease gap, max MD gap should be 4, yes it's working perfect. Let's keep padding, max MD padding top 10, yes it's working fine. So here you can see this, let's make it small where you can see. It's working totally fine. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.